Ever stared at a string of random characters and wondered, what in the world is that? Maybe you've seen it when someone's talking about crypto, or perhaps you've stumbled upon it in some online forum. That jumble, that cryptic code, could very well be a wallet address. But what exactly does that mean, and more specifically, what does a Newton wallet address look like? Let's break it down. You've probably heard of Newton, the Canadian cryptocurrency trading platform. It's designed to make buying and selling digital assets easier for Canadians. But like any crypto platform, it relies on the fundamental concept of wallets and addresses. Think of a wallet address like your bank account number, but for the digital realm. It's the unique identifier that allows you to send and receive cryptocurrencies. Now, before we dive into the specifics of a Newton wallet address, let's quickly recap what a cryptocurrency wallet is. Essentially, it's a software or hardware tool that allows you to manage your digital assets. It doesn't actually store your crypto in the traditional sense. Instead, it holds the private keys that allow you to access and spend your funds on the blockchain. These private keys are linked to public addresses, which are the ones you share with others to receive crypto. Newton, like many exchanges, provides custodial wallets. This means that they manage the private keys on your behalf. This makes it convenient for users, especially beginners, as they don't have to worry about the complexities of securing their own keys. However, it's crucial to understand that with custodial wallets, you're essentially trusting the platform with your funds. So, what does a Newton wallet address look like? Well, here's the thing, it depends on the cryptocurrency you're dealing with. Newton supports various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and others. Each of these cryptocurrencies has its own unique address format. Let's take Bitcoin as an example. A Bitcoin address is typically a string of 26 to 35 alphanumeric characters, meaning it includes both letters and numbers. It usually starts with a 1, 3, or BC1. For instance, a Bitcoin address might look something like this. 1 BVB MSEYST WET TFN 504M4G FG7XJA NVN2. Or, if it's a SegWit, segregated witness, address, which is more common now, it might start with BC1. BC1 CAR 0 SRRR7 ZA6 VIDSWIG 3 ALP 6 F5 6 GA FRD 50 TX. Notice the complexity and the randomness of the characters. This randomness is essential for security. It makes it virtually impossible for someone to guess your address and steal your funds. Now, let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum addresses are different. They typically start with 0x and are composed of 42 hexadecimal characters. So, an Ethereum address might look like this. 0x AB58017D3983511B8BE11C439E05C5B3259CBCFE. The 0x prefix signifies that it's a hexadecimal address. Again, the complexity and the length of the address are critical for security. When you use Newton, you'll find your wallet addresses within your account interface. You'll need to navigate to the wallet or funding section, select the cryptocurrency you want to receive, and then you'll see your unique address displayed. It's absolutely crucial to understand that each cryptocurrency has its own unique address format. You cannot send Bitcoin to an Ethereum address or vice versa. Doing so will likely result in the loss of your funds. Always double-check and triple-check the address before sending any crypto. Now, you might be wondering, why are these addresses so long and complicated? The complexity is by design. It's a fundamental part of the security model of cryptocurrencies. These long, random addresses make it extremely difficult for anyone to guess or forge an address. Furthermore, these addresses are generated using cryptographic hash functions. These functions take an input, in this case, your public key, and produce a fixed-size output, the address. The hash function is designed to be one-way, meaning it's virtually impossible to reverse engineer the input from the output. This is what keeps your funds secure. Another important point to remember is that you can generate multiple addresses for the same cryptocurrency within your wallet. This is a common practice for enhancing privacy. By using a different address for each transaction, you make it more difficult for anyone to track your activity on the blockchain. When you're dealing with Newton or any cryptocurrency exchange, you will often encounter QR codes alongside the wallet addresses. These QR codes are simply a visual representation of the address, making it easier to scan and copy the address using your mobile phone. This eliminates the risk of typing errors, which can be disastrous when dealing with crypto addresses. Let's quickly address a common question. Can you customize your wallet address? In most cases, the answer is no. These addresses are generated using cryptographic algorithms and are not customizable. However, some services offer vanity addresses, which allow you to create addresses with specific characters. However, these services are generally not recommended due to security concerns. Now, let's talk about the practical implications of understanding your Newton wallet address. When you want to receive cryptocurrency into your Newton account, you'll need to provide the sender with your correct wallet address for the specific cryptocurrency. If you're sending crypto from another wallet or exchange to your Newton account, you'll need to copy and paste the address carefully. Always, and I mean always, double-check the address before sending any funds. Even a single incorrect character can result in the loss of your crypto. It's also a good practice to send a small test transaction first to ensure that everything is working correctly. Furthermore, be aware of phishing attacks. Scammers often try to trick users into sending crypto to their addresses by impersonating legitimate services. They might send you fake emails or messages with incorrect wallet addresses. Always verify the address directly from your Newton account. Another important aspect is the difference between public and private keys. Your wallet address is derived from your public key. Your private key, on the other hand, is like your password. It allows you to spend your funds. Never share your private key with anyone. In the context of Newton, since they use custodial wallets, they manage your private keys. However, you still need to understand the concept of private keys to appreciate the security measures in place. Let's summarize the key takeaways. A Newton wallet address is a unique identifier for receiving cryptocurrencies on the Newton platform. The format of the address varies depending on the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin addresses typically start with 1, 3, or BC1, while Ethereum addresses start with 0x. Always double-check the address before sending any funds. Understand the difference between public and private keys. Be aware of phishing attacks and always verify addresses from your official Newton account. Use QR codes when available to prevent typing errors. Each cryptocurrency has its own distinct address format. Understanding your Newton wallet address is fundamental to using the platform effectively and securely. It allows you to confidently send and receive cryptocurrencies without the fear of losing your funds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.